Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the iQOO 3 versus the Oneplus Nord 2 device, Snapdragon 865 versus Dimensity 1200. So during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use the 5 games and 5 applications. As you can see friends, exactly these are the very small 2 games and very big games, 3 games I did include, as you can see here. So let's see which phone can actually open these games faster and these applications faster, and how many games and apps will be there in the background RAM management. That is what I'm going to exactly compare between both phones. So first let's start by doing the basic reboot test. This is my first time doing this kind of side-by-side comparison range between both these devices, iQOO 3 and the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So I thought of mixing the games and applications in the speed test, because some of the users, they did mention that can you please mix both. So don't try only games, 10 games, and don't try only applications. Can you mix both, because that is the realistic way we will be using day-to-day usage. So that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of test first. Let's see what will happen with this kind of test in this phone. And during this process, I'll try to connect to the same Wi-Fi network. So same Wi-Fi network are connected. As you can see, still OnePlus Nord 2 is taking a lot of time to reboot, this kind of thing. So let me try to quickly show you the exact results right now. And both phones are having the 8GB RAM variants only. Yes, both are completely 8GB RAM variants. And by this test, we'll get to know how much difference is there, Snapdragon 865 and Dimensity 1200. Let me try to connect to the 2.4 GHz. So both are connected to same Wi-Fi connection. That's perfectly done, clear everything. And these games are not added into the ultra game mode or game space at all. They are not added at all, no. So far, these are the few games which I'll try to use. As you can see, first let's start with the application. Let's start with the first application, which is Amazon application. As I said, this is my first time I'm trying to do this kind of test side-by-side comparison. Even I am very much interested to see which phone can actually perform really faster. These are the basic applications, so it should not take much time to load. I'll try to keep this in the background as electronics. So as you can see, I'm trying to keep in the background. Next is a Flipkart. Flipkart also I'll try to keep my favorite, which is a mobile phones in the background. Next is a Chrome. iQOO 3 did open slightly faster, the Chrome. So my bad, I did not press the same time, I think so. Let me press it same time. What is happening? The Twitter. It's not opening. Sorry friends, there must be some kind of a problem with the Twitter applications. That is the reason I did shift with the Play Store. Right now, let me try to clear the Twitter. I'm not sure why the Twitter is not opening. There's some problem. I did try again and again, but it's not working. Let's try with the Play Store. So I did shift the application. So Instagram, that's perfect. Next, let's go to the game. So these games are not added into the game turbo at all, nothing. Let's see which one will be able to open faster these games. iQOO 3, the Snapdragon 865 processor, as you can see friends, it did open this game faster than the Dimensity 1200, not bad. Next is the Temple Run. Temple Run, let's see. So that is what a lot of users, they thought instead of bringing Dimensity 1200, a lot of users, they are really interested in the Snapdragon processors. So that is what a lot of users are really confused. But nowadays the Dimensity processors are also really getting optimized. For example, this game, Battlegrounds mobile game, it got optimized 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max. So I'm not sure about the other devices whether they will be able to receive or not. But right now, as you can see the difference, how fast it got loaded in the iQOO 3. As you can see friends, the game, there's a difference. Yes, then I need to focus more on this iQOO 3 comparing with other phones. So I'll try to do that. So comparing using with the speed test, you can see the potential, how much difference is there between both phones. As you can see, even though the phone launched 1 year ago, but still it was kind of close to Dimensity 1200. Yes. I'll try to do the CPU throttling test and Antutu benchmark test and all those details side by side. Then we'll be able to get to know what is the actual difference. This is the Asphalt 9 game. Let's see which phone will be able to open this Asphalt 9 game faster. So both are loading at this moment, as you can see. Yeah, OnePlus Nord 2 did open this Asphalt 9 game first. As you can see friends, clearly OnePlus Nord 2 not bad. So at least in one game did open faster. And Call of Duty, let's see Call of Duty which phone can actually open faster. And I want to check in the RAM management which phone can actually keep these applications and games in the RAM management. So that is what I'm going to check exactly. That will be really intense kind of testing, because this is not a joke friends, because keeping these 3 big games in the background and keeping 2 small games in the background and again keeping applications in the background, it's completely big task, I would say. But let's find out. In this kind of testing, we'll find out what is happening. Yes. Now it's done. All 5 games and all 5 applications are completely open from the beginning. As you can see friends, everything is there in the background. Now it's time to check which phone is actually optimized to store this many applications and games in the background. Let's see. Let's start from the last. So most of them, I think most of the phones, they did clear the 5 applications and 5 games round. So sorry, 5 games. So it should not take any much kind of difference. So it should be kind of okay, I would say, between 5 games. So as you can see friends, 5 games, there's no issues at all between both phones, nothing at all. So now let's go to the next applications. 1, 2, 3. No issues with the application Notepad. Play Store, sometime it took, but still it did keep in the background memory. Nothing much problem. Next is a Chrome. Let's try the Chrome from the background. Why not? Yeah, let's try from here, multitasking. So 1, 2, 3. Both phones, as you can see, both phones, it took some time to reload. Let's open the Flipkart and Amazon. So Flipkart and the Amazon, I did keep the electronics in the background, I think. Yes, electronics were there in the background. Let's open the Flipkart. 1, 2, 3. Both phones, as you can see, they did show exactly. And finally, which is Amazon. Amazon, as you can see, this is exact as it is. Amazon. I did open the electronics, I think is electronics. This is the electronic page, whereas the OnePlus Nord 2 did go to the home page directly. It did not go to the electronic page. As you can see, exactly the difference how it is. So overall, in terms of the RAM management test, slightly the iQOO 3 was the winner in terms of opening this Amazon application. But after this RAM management, let's check the last game, Call of Duty. Which phone can actually keep in the RAM management? That is really important. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the Call of Duty game completely gone away from the RAM management. This is what I'm trying to talk about. As you can see friends, it's gone. It's not there. It's not there. Next is the Asphalt 9. Let's see the Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 also gone from the OnePlus Nord 2 from the RAM management. In the iQOO 3, still the Asphalt 9 game is there. As you can see friends, exactly the difference. This is what I'm trying to talk about, the RAM management, comparing both phones. Battlegrounds Mobile. Battlegrounds Mobile also completely gone away from the RAM management. It's not there. iQOO 3 was able to keep most of the games. Small games did keep, yes. Small games were there in the OnePlus Nord 2 without any issues, but big games, everything got closed completely in the OnePlus Nord 2 device right now. So thank you for watching this video friends, and in case if you want me to compare any other speed test between both phones, let me know in the comment section below. And the winner is iQOO 3 device. Even in the speed test also, this phone was able to open the games and applications slightly faster than the OnePlus Nord 2 device. In my experience, that is what I did feel during this time of usage. And let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts comparing both phones into the speed test, and what other videos you want me to compare as well. That's what I'm trying to look after the comments as well. And don't forget to check the playlist which I created for all the phones in my channel. The playlist will give you a clear idea what is happening with each and every smartphone. Try to check the playlist and try to follow the playlist. That will help you to decide which phone is the best and why. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.